Hey, you've got to try jeeping in Tuscany. It's such an incredible way to explore the region. I just got back from a trip there. It was an absolute blast. Tuscany is already so beautiful with those medieval towns and endless vineyards. But when you get out on the trails in a rugged 4x4, it's indescribable. It is easy to get off the beaten path and discover parts of the countryside that most tourists never see. Bouncing along dirt roads, you can go past centuries-old castles and farmhouses and enjoy the panoramic view. It's like an adventure and a sightseeing tour all in one. And the best part is, you get to be the one in control, navigating those trails at your own pace. Especially if you love being outdoors and trying new, thrilling activities, jeeping in Tuscany is the perfect way to really see the natural beauty of the region. Let me know if you want me to send you some recommendations for tour companies or routes. I'd be happy to help you plan an epic Tuscan jeeping adventure.